As you can see, the prep work is well underway here on the inside of this Jeep. Not only the truck bed area, but the inside of the cab. And what we're prepping it for is to hit it and coat it with Dupli-Color's Truck Bed Coating. So not only is it impact resistant, but it's also going to have a textured finish inside of it, so it'll be anti-slip as well. Now, it's really a versatile product that you can pretty much put anywhere you want to protect from, well, dirt and debris, as well as impact and just about everything else in between. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can apply Dupli-Color's Truck Bed Coating. One is you can roll it on, you can use an aerosol can, or you can use their spray gun kit. For this surface, we've got a big area to cover. We're gonna go ahead and spray it on because we can cover a lot of area in a short period of time, and we don't have to spend a lot of time taping stuff off because everything is out of the way, so it makes the application really easy. Now, what we need to do is go back to sanding everything down, and scuff it all out, and make sure we can bite into it. Then I'm gonna start prepping it and applying the product. You know, I mentioned that big grease stain that we have to deal with. One of the things that you want to make sure you do is you do not want to sand it in its current state, because by sanding that grease stain, what you're going to be doing is basically taking that grease and sanding it right into the metal, and that's not going to end well. So hit it with Dupli-Color's prep spray first, get the grease out of the metal, and then go ahead and sand it down. Nice to have a set of hands here to help out, but, you know. If only. What you want to do is make sure that you mask off and cover everything that you don't want to get hit with truck bed coating. You'll want to adjust your air pressure to the gun to a minimum of 30 psi, and always utilize a test panel first before you start spraying the area you want actually covered. Once we get a few coats on, we're going to let it dry to touch in 1 hour, and then to handle, it'll take 2 hours.